Aloha, friends. Please join us as we explore walking to the Cruzada, the cross.
I am going to place my back to the camera so that way you can follow along as you are learning the follower's footwork. Again, we recommend that everybody work on both sides of the coin before you put it together in partnership. Partner drifts outside, make sure that you create that dissociation through your upper body so that way you have the wind up. We're going to begin unwinding back to line of dance. Complete the unwind as we cross. Nice and tight, heel up, then push into the floor by flattening your front foot, releasing the back foot, and we are ready to walk out of it. And for the leaders,
we step out to the hand side, stepping alongside our partner with strong dissociation, but then I start taking the dissociation out. I'm going to pause. I'm not going to rush into this. I'm going to give my partner's foot room to move into the cross and time to move into the cross. And then, most importantly, I do not want to rush out of this position because my partner has to shift their weight in order to take that next step. So I'm giving a very clear wind up and intention as we step out.
We're going to start off. Arjun's just going to walk in line. Then he's going to drift outside, and through that outside position, we're going to create the cruzada and then continue.